Anticipation is growing around the prospect of a hardware upgrade for the PlayStation 5, following a historical pattern of console evolution. While the PlayStation 4 received a new version after 3 years, signs suggest that the PlayStation 5 might not be far behind in joining the latest generation of consoles. Sony's announcement of Project Q, a PS5-dependent gaming handheld set to launch later this year, has fueled speculation about a PS5 Pro or Slim arriving in 2024 or 2025. A potential Slim model could bring a smaller, more affordable, and cooler-running version of the PlayStation 5, utilizing the latest chip fabrication technology. Simultaneously, a beefed-up Pro version could offer higher resolutions and frame rates, catering to gamers seeking enhanced performance. Drawing parallels with past console iterations, the PlayStation 4 was succeeded by the PlayStation 4 Slim and PlayStation 4 Pro in September 2016. 3 years after its initial launch in November 2013. The PS3 similarly followed a 3-year gap between its 2006 release and the 2009 introduction of the Slim version. If Sony adheres to this timeline, a PS5 Slim or PS5 Pro could potentially grace the scene by late 2023. Notably, this trend can be traced back to the PS2 Slim in 2004 and the PS1 in 2000. Speculation has also emerged regarding the possibility of a redesigned PS5, potentially named differently than the PS5 Slim. Rumors suggest a redesign aimed at reducing size and weight while retaining or improving performance. Insider gaming hints that a PS5 Slim might be a variant of the original PS5 with a detachable disk drive, potentially arriving in late 2023. This prospect could coincide with the launch of the PS5 Pro. Notably, a significant leak from Twitter user BWE showcased a redesigned plastic shell for a forthcoming PS5 model, featuring a slimmer profile and redesigned USB ports. While speculations abound, the potential for a detachable disk drive and redesigned chassis adds to the intrigue. Regarding the specifics of a new PS5 iteration, rumors suggest the PS5 Pro might introduce liquid cooling and a new AMD APU for improved performance. However, the credibility of these rumors remains uncertain. Amidst ongoing technological advancements, a potential die shrink to 3nm fabrication technology could result in a more compact internal chipset. Such a development might lead to improved power efficiency, reduced noise, and enhanced cooling. Historically, PlayStation Pro versions have focused on enhancing gaming experiences through higher resolutions and smoother frame rates. A PS5 Pro could potentially focus on perfecting 4K gaming, while advancements in CPUs and GPUs could contribute to a more powerful console capable of handling complex graphics and visual effects. As for potential pricing, the PS5 Pro might range between $670 to $740 or £550 to £600, reflecting its enhanced capabilities. The PS5 Slim, aiming to compete with the Xbox Series S, could potentially cost around $370 or £299. As for the timeline, there are indications that a PS5 Pro might launch in late 2023 or 2024. While speculations hint at a redesigned PS5 version arriving in late 2023, it's more likely to be released in 2024 or 2025. Sony's EVP Hideaki Nishino hinted at significant developments for the platform, potentially setting the stage for a PS5 Pro unveiling. However, while rumors provide insights, gamers eagerly await official announcements regarding the evolution of the PlayStation 5.